Hello, I'm Giovanna Tucker and this is my new assistant Cosmo, and welcome to 100 days of Today is going to be awesome. Can today be awesome, or at least not suck for 100 days in a row? That is what we're going to do. I'm going to be posting a video every day for 100 days, and remember, today is going to be awesome. Bye bye. Hello, Giovanna here and my assistant Cosmo. So today I just want to talk about taking a news break. The news is full of death and fear and panic and bad news, job losses, everyday activities being cancelled, lockdowns and borders shut, businesses are shut, and all this news is keeping us in a constant state of negativity. On top of this, we have the negativity bias, which is also looking for all the bad news, and so there's plenty of that at the moment. So take a break for 24 hours from the news, and in that time instead, hold on Cosmo, almost done, in that time instead do something that makes you happy and see how different you feel by taking the news break and doing something that makes you happy instead. Remember, today's going to be awesome.